Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? Alright, on this video I'd like to show you how to remove the air vent. This one is a 2018 Ford E-350. It's an RV, so most RVs are either, Class C RVs are either Chevy chassis or Ford chassis, but so if you have one of those and you want to replace it, see how it's broken? I'm going to show you how to do that. So we have a screwdriver. I put some tape, Gorilla tape on it so that I won't scratch the surface. So now we're just gonna put that in here and then try to just pop it. Let's see. Yeah, let me do that. I need to put the camera down. Alright, so as you can see, it's coming out. So all you have to do is just put the screw, then just keep popping little by little without damaging the plastic. Let's see if I can pull it by my hand now. Not yet. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Came out like that. Very simple. All right. Yeah. So it has these grooves. So got grooves here, 1, 2, 3. So just when you put it back, just aligning the new one to this groove. So I got a new one. So let me see what groove is it. Oh, maybe this one. This is the groove. So you got 1, 2. Yeah. So let's see the new one. It's right here. So now the new one, just aligning it. Yeah. You see how aligning this one right here. So aligning that. Then make sure the bottom. Yeah. Once you align this one, they all align everywhere. So it's just a matter of popping, then sticking it, pushing it in. You need to clean anything here. Good to dust some air. This is a lot of dust here. Clean some dust, and then just once you align everything to these grooves. Yeah. See how it aligns? So basically, this one, yeah, just aligns here, and then just pop, push, and then it latches. I'm gonna clean first before I do that. All right, so as you can see, if you see, look at the new one, it has like a straight, you see how the design is like around here. Let me show you. Here it has a straight line. So when you look at the inside, I don't know how much you can see, but this side of the vent has a straight line, so that you gotta match it like that. You gotta match it in that position, so it should go in this position. So now we align the top, align the bottom. So now we just, yeah, very easy. That's how you replace vents. Hope this helps. All right, take care guys.